All right, y'all. So here I am, lip syncing. What song is this? Hold on. So this is Something in My Heart by Miss Chalet. You know, YouTube won't let you be great. They're going to try to copyright you. So I had to put it on mute. I think this is Aaliyah, Let Me Know. Oh no, At Your Best, that's what it's called. At your best, you are love. Hey, this is my shit though. I like this song. Oh yeah, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But your girl is jamming. Aaliyah is like my all-time fave over everybody. I remember in my neighborhood we had this little dance group. We said we was gonna go to the Apollo, and we had to dance to that One in a Million. All right, so this my shit too. This that what's this? Hold on. Okay, so this that silly of me to think that I could ever have you for my God. This that shit though, yo. Oh my God, this is such a throwback. I grew up on this song. This one of them Quiet Storms songs that come on the radio late night that wake you up out of your sleep when you're supposed to be sleeping, getting ready for school the next day with your mama in the living room cleaning. And she got her jams on. So now my kids gonna know this song. But yeah, man, these my cleaning vibes. These are the songs that I like to listen to while I, doing my thizzle, cleaning up. The girl was feeling it, can't you tell? I was feeling this song, dog. Look, go, babe. Look at babe. She's so fine. Dip, boom, boom. Now look, you can't tell me I ain't on no stage. I'm in my living room. That's my stage right here. Look, there you go. Look at them face. She giving face. There you go. Boom, boom, ha, Get it, babe. Look at my baby. They gonna be singing these songs later on in life. Lord. Uh-oh.
You have to believe in yourself if you want to be a big name player in this league.
Boom. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh, this that Rolls Royce. I'm wishing on a star. Boom, boom. To follow where you are. Boom, boom. I'm wishing on a dream. Boom, boom. To follow what I need. Boom, boom. All right. Boom. 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 She getting it out with a two-step. Can't tell me nothing. Uh-oh. What's this one? I don't even remember what this one is. Hold on. All right, I got it. This that. Baby, come to me. Gotta have you up there. Thinking of you. Oh, oh. Baby, come to me. Boom. Baby, I love you. Oh, baby, I need you now. Baby, come to me. Sweet name. How to make you want me. How to make you love me. Oh, damn, boom. The friend of mine. Show make it work. Oh, this that Tony Braxton. Yeah, this that Tony Braxton. Break My Heart. Yeah, I was feeling it this one. Yeah, and do this. Heard you call when you walked out the door, you walked out of my life. And cried. Look at that face. Tears. I cried so many nights. And break my heart. Oh, wow. Can't tell me nothing. Oh, this that. I think her name is. This that. Heather Hadley. How I go again? Let me see. I was just singing the song. It's that song about how he always, you'll always be my lady. In my mind, I'll always be his girl. Saw his mama just the other day. Say you went through a spell. Yeah. Had a bad breakup. Thinks it's on the way up. It's hard to tell. She said, I think you do some good if you come back.